So today I'll be talking about progressive betting and the stereotype in the sports gambling community that you have to spend a lot of money to win a lot of money. Um, a lot of the times they're often stuck with that mentality, and um, it's a big thing that's always talked about in our community, and like guys will end up making fun of other people, and it's all in a joking way, but they still have that actual mindset that carries with them. So um, here I made an Instagram slide to kind of show you how yeah, that's not necessarily true, and a method that you could take to um, avoid kind of falling into that stereotype if you don't like betting with bigger amounts, which is fine. So here you can see that I just have a straight bet, which means that it's not a parlay; it's just a single bet. And if you're gonna try the progressive betting route, you're gonna want to do one that has better odds, or odds that are around the same to get like your money back, almost necessarily. Just if you're doing this method, which I think is the most effective. Um, so yeah, so you place $10 on a straight bet that's around the same odds, and then you should be able to, if you would win this, you'd be able to um, put that 10 to the side, and now you have $10 of profit with also the $10 that you spent. So now you have no money coming out of pocket. And so this next one, you're going to do the same exact thing um, with around the same odds. Now, generally, minus 100 and plus 100 is typically just like 50 cents less. So that's generally the same odds. So I did another straight bet. This would be for Royce O'Neal, the Jazz, to get at least 7 points. And now, if I would win this bet, not only do I have my money back, but now I have $20 profit. $10 are already back in my pocket. Now I place another straight bet. And obviously you could stop doing this at any time. You don't have to, keep going and going until you lose, and then you lose all your money. Once you get to a certain number, you could split that in half, put that back in your bank account, and now you're still gambling with that house money. House money referring to the money that you've just won, and not any money that's came out of your own pocket. So now let's say you do another $20 bet, or not another $20 bet, excuse me, but if you do a $20 bet from all the money you've won, so you've won 30 in total, and you took the 10 back that you had originally taken out of your account. And so let's say you win that one. Now you have $40. Now at this point, depending on how much money you're working with, you take $40 and you win this 40. I mean, you have almost $100 profit now off of 3 or 4 bets. When that stereotype is that if you only have a small amount, you can only win a small amount. That's always not necessarily true. Um, so if you follow this method or any other methods, this will actually uh, debunk that kind of stereotype, and it could be very effective for anyone. Instead of maybe betting like a $100 bet and then you lose, this way you have a security blanket, and you're also able to keep doing what you like to do.